Well, welcome back. Do you remember the 25-pound turkey challenge? Apparently it went around a couple of years ago as a prank in 2018, and it was where you would text your parents and ask them if you could microwave a 25-pound turkey. The responses were hysterical. And believe it or not, this is like a real question.
Right, you're going to need a bigger microwave for that. Okay,
Yeah.
According to Google Trends, the search on how to microwave a turkey spikes every time this year.
Of course.
For those of you who waited, I guess. So the question is, can you cook a turkey in the microwave? Let's take a look.
Our sources, Bill Nolan, supervisor at Butterball Turkey Hotline and the USDA. According to the USDA, turkeys can actually be successfully cooked in the microwave, either in whole or in parts. The experts at Butterball agree.
It can be done, and it's actually pretty delicious. However, of course, due to size of turkeys and size of microwaves, you have to keep it to a smaller size turkey in order to cook it in there.
The USDA states most microwaves can accommodate turkeys that are 12 to 14 pounds. However, there is a process in doing it correctly.
You have to vary the amount of power that you're using. You know, you put it in for so many minutes per pound at 30% power and then 50% power or full power.
Nolan also says you need to thaw your turkey first, just as if you would when you cook it in the oven, and you need to check the temperature of your turkey to make sure it's safe to eat. Recipes from Butterball suggest the temperature should be about 180 to 185 degrees in the thigh and 170 to 175 in the breast. So we can verify that, yes, you can cook your turkey in the microwave, but make sure to follow proper steps in order to enjoy. With your Verify, I'm Megan Bragg.